Hi there, and welcome to Virtual Crafternoon on the Willard Public Library YouTube channel. On this episode, we're going to be making super simple magnifier bookmarks. Craft kits for this project are available at the Adult Services desk at Willard Public Library while supplies last. Each kit includes 2 standard paper gift card holders, 1 wallet-sized magnifier, a few pieces of decorative paper, and some paper embellishments. You will also need 1 pair of scissors, a glue stick or liquid glue, and a pencil. Start by cutting along all 4 folds of your gift card holder. This should leave you with a rectangle with a window in the middle, and do this for both of the gift card holders in your kit. You will also want to carefully remove the plastic sheet that's in the middle of your gift card holder. If it leaves a little bit of residue, don't worry, it's going to be inside of the bookmark. No one will see it. Next, we're ready to start decorating the 2 sides of our bookmark. So here you'll see I'm using one of my rectangles as a pattern, and I'm just going to trace around it just like this. To cut out the middle section of your rectangle, gently fold your paper over and just snip the center. That will allow you to cut out that center section without cutting the border around it. Now I have the background for one side of my bookmark, so here I'm going to do something a little different. I'm just going to cut off the corner of one of my pieces of decorative paper, and I'm going to lay it onto my white rectangle and use that as my pattern and just trace around. Cut off the excess, and next we'll be ready to start gluing. As you start to decorate and design your bookmark, it's a good idea to lay out your pieces before you glue them down, just to make sure that you like the way they look. Here I'm just putting a little bit of glue stick around all 4 edges, and I'm going to lay down that craft paper right on top and give it a few minutes to dry. Now that the base layer is done, I'm going to lay out some more decorative elements. You can use scrapbook images like these. You can also use stickers, washi tape, basically any flat decorative supplies you might have around. As you're laying out your embellishments, it's important to keep in mind that the window of your bookmark is going to have that magnifying plate in it, so whatever you put on one side will be seen through the other. So try to keep your embellishments out of the center of your bookmark and more off the edges. Once you're happy with your layout, put some glue on the back of each of your embellishments and press them onto the border. After the glue has had a chance to dry, use your scissors and cut off any excess paper. Here, I think I'm going to leave my little butterfly sticking over the edge of the bookmark, just because I like the way it looks. So now we're ready to assemble our bookmark. So take the magnifier plate out of the plastic cover, apply some glue all the way around the plain side, just like this, and stick that magnifying plate right on top. Then you're gonna sandwich the other side of your bookmark on top of that. Make sure that you're generous with the glue and you're getting to all of the edges. And press firmly so that the glue really locks that magnifier in place. Once the glue has had a chance to dry completely, use your scissors to clean up any rough edges and your bookmark is ready to go.